But you know, there is large number of people who are preparing for government exam, and the seats are, limited. So competition is high this time.
You are
It's not
absolutely
your
right.
fault. It's not
Hmm.
your fault. Sarvesh, please introduce yourself little bit for my viewers because I know you very well.
Okay, thank you. So this is Sarvesh Kumar, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done my graduation, and after that I did law. So currently I'm preparing for government lawyer as well. I'm learning English language. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening to music, playing cricket, reading books. These all are my hobbies, and that's all about me. Thank you.
So today is Sunday. How you are spending your Sunday?
Just I enjoyed Sunday so far with myself, and I got up late. You can say I woke up late. Then I did some exercise, and after that I took bath. Then I prepared my breakfast, and after preparing my breakfast, I had. Then I started scrolling short video.
Short video. What kind of short video?
Funny, like funny
Educational or educational or entertainment? Full of entertainment.
entertainment video, like yes.
Hmm. Dance video.
Dance, funny, jokes like you know. Hmm.
Yes. So like there are so many person who are busy in 6 days and on Sunday they are thinking, okay, on this Sunday we will meet our friend, we will complete our pending work. Do you
Yes, yes.
also do same thing on Sundays?
No, no, I didn't. Just I do my work daily basis. I will just work daily. And if I talk about friends, so I have friends, but not here. In village area. But if I talk about Rose Mahakumbh is going on, so I'm unable to go outside just because of crowded, due to crowded. If I talk about nowadays, I don't know what is happening, people, and what they have seen here to come here, and they are just coming. They are not. I don't know what
Going.
is happening there. And if I
First
talk,
time you saw this kind of crowd in your city.
yes, yes, you are absolutely right. In my whole past, Eh, it is
I
really
was reading one
wonderful for
news.
me.
I was reading one news. There was one couple who were going to the Kumbh. I think they are also taking the dip in the Kumbh, and at the home they left a old, mother. So I think if you are doing this kind of thing, how can you say that your all the sins are washed?
Yes, yes, yes. And we shouldn't like this, and we should first take care of our family and our health. Nowadays it is really a crucial part in
You are not
our
obeying your
body.
elders. You are giving, suffer to your elders, and you are going to Kumbh.
Yes, yes. We are feeling comfort zone. We are comfort zone. Because due to technology, or you can say mobile, whatever you have, not just we are scrolling short video, you are watching funny video, and just you are spend not you are like we are spending our time on social media through the social media. Uh, just we are enjoying our life, and if someone asks you that you have time to go outside, like. I have a some work, please, you can go with me. Then no, I don't have time. Like this,
No, no. Actually, it is believed that if you are taking holy dip in Ganga, then your all sins will be washed. But if you are lifting your old mother, and I read that old lady was eating plastic particles, some other things, just for their hunger. So I think it's not a good practice. First, you should take care your elders, and after that, you should go any fair.
Yes, first, yeah, yeah, it is our first priority to take care
Hmm.
of our family. If you have a good family, so you should thank God. Oh my God, I have a good family, and I'm having all those things, whatever I wanted in my past. So you have a good
Hmm.
family, so you should thank God and yourself, your family. You shouldn't live there at your home and just you are going to Mahagum, and
Hmm.
you will take bath and you will enjoy, and without your family it is not good thing. I don't think people wise they do
Not
like this
family, I am
thing.
saying because they left that old lady in the house and that old lady was not able to cook the food. Okay, she was, I think, 70 or 80 years old. So
Hmm.
first you should take care of your, elder citizens, senior citizens.
Hmm.
Then you should go any, holy fair. Then you should take holy dip.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely right. It's true. We should take care. And I
Hmm.
don't know why. Anyway, if
Because
I talk about yesterday,
I always, reading newspaper, so I read that news.
hmm.
They locked that old lady, and she was, she was suffering from hunger since 3 days.
Oh my God, it is not good thing, and they will regret in future.
Hmm.
If they will do like this thing, then definitely their children they will
Hmm.
get rebel.
Okay. So tell me, how is your study going on?
Yeah, my study is going well so far, and as well my English journey, and I'm trying to learn new thing, but I'm just focusing my language as well my law related to laws whole syllabus. My earlier I mentioned many times that my whole syllabus is Hindi language, so I study Hindi language not whole day more than 3 hours 4 hour day and not eat more than 2 hours night because yeah I have to do everything prepare dinner after preparing dinner clean room clean all watering all those things so I have little bit responsibility to take care of myself nowadays I am good. I'm healthy person, but I'm also human being, so I should take care of my health as well, my
Hmm.
whole education as well, my whole journey, and I should enjoy myself. So nowadays, I'm enjoying my life
Hmm.
with my
Are you
work.
living alone? Are you living alone, or you are sharing your room with your, room partners?
No, I don't have any partner, room partner, and if I earlier I mentioned that I don't have here friend here in Prayagraj city. I don't have any friend. I'm alone, so just I'm enjoying my life with English language and all of you guys.
Hmm. For preparation, are you taking any help of coaching centers?
Yeah, I don't know. I have completed my coaching. You can say I have finished my coaching, and after that I started studying myself. So I'm studying myself at my yes at
How
home.
many attempts you had given?
Not judiciary. If I talk about competition exams, more than five exams I had given earlier, but I couldn't clear any exam. That was my fault, and I didn't know what happened that time when I'd given. It was my fault.
Why you are saying it was your fault?
Mm, because I couldn't any I couldn't clear any exam, and
But
so that's why.
there is large number of people who are preparing for government exam, and the seats are, limited. So competition is high this time.
You are
It's
absolutely
not
right.
your fault. It's not
Hmm.
your fault. Yes.
Yeah, you are absolutely. And if I talk about truth in about my area where I'm living, so here is a lot of students. If I talk about in my city, so oh my God, almost each and every state person student come here and just they study more than 4 hours 10 hours 15 hours. Oh my God, I don't know why, how they do a study. Almost
Okay.
10
After
hours.
after like they are giving 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours also, and if they are not able to crack the exam, so what is the mental status of those kind of aspirants?
It is really not good thing for them. Also including me, I'm also having a lot of problem earlier. I went to leave that when I came here. So since then, I have been preparing for government job. So I had given more than five exam, but I couldn't. So it is really not good thing. And if I talk about, you can see my whole face, my whole body. I'm looking good, but sometimes it's happen whenever you feel not good like due to your exam due to your family and each and everything we are belonging to middle class family so we have responsibility to do something
Hmm.
for our family but we are
Why
not
in the
doing
middle
anything.
class family they are, giving so much pressure? Why?
Yeah, because they know each and everything about education. If you have a education, you are getting a good education. Then always each and every parents they expect to you that you are gonna become a successful person in your life. So that is the
Hmm.
main reason.
Hmm. They always believe in government job. They are giving so much pressure to their children. You should, gain good marks. You should gain good designation.
And I think yes, it's the true. If you do study more than 10 hour, and not 10 hour, more sorry for this, more than 6 hour, 8 hour, it is enough for you. But with consistency, you must focus 100%, not 99%. You must focus 100% continuously 1 year. Then you are gonna
Hmm.
successful. You are gonna crack your exam. It doesn't matter private or a government. But with consistency, if you have a desire, any goal, definitely you are going to achieve your goal. I had consistency, but I don't know what happened that time when I did.
Hmm. So, who suggests you that survey you should prepare this exam? Your parents, your brother, your friends? Who suggests you?
Yeah, my family, you can say, because they knew each and everything about law related to law in this field. And yeah, still I'm a private lawyer, but I'm not practicing. Yeah, some days I go there in high court, like Kashari or high court. You can someday I go, but I'm not practicing. I'm not regular person
Because
like
I think uh, you had not cleared that exam, then you can achieve your barcode. I think there are some code or registration. Then you
yes,
can
yes,
do practice.
yes. I don't.
But yes, you can work under some big advocates, big lawyers. You can do work.
Yes, I will. Before you
Mm.
can started, I went there, and but there were a lot of lawyer, judges. They were talking to each other, and I got a surprise just because, oh my God, there were a lot of lawyer, new
Mm.
lawyer, and
A group of lawyers.
group of lawyer, bunch of lawyer, you can say bunch,
Mm.
group of
Bunch
lawyer.
of
Yes,
lawyers.
yes.
Yes. Okay, tell me one thing. In the court, they are speaking in Hindi or English? Or speaking,
Both.
local language, Banarasi language or Avdi language?
Yes, if I talk about rules, so and Supreme Court or High Court, so they are almost judges or lawyers. They speak English language mostly.
Yes.
Mostly they
Mm.
speak English
Supreme
language.
Court.
And if I yes, Supreme Court
Mm.
and High Court, usual High Court. And if I talk
Mm.
about district court or local court,
Mm.
so almost people are you
Family
can say
court,
lawyers.
local courts,
Yeah.
they are speaking in their, local language.
Local language. Yeah, it is a good for them who are belonging to a village area, belonging to, and who doesn't know how to do their work. So they can hire any good lawyer in Hindi language, in their native language.
Mm.
So they can they can argue with them who knows how to speak
Mm.
Hindi language or English language. It is a really nice
Mm.
thing for them.
Mm. Mm. Yes.
And
Anything else you want to
if I
elaborate about the court room?
yeah, and I got astonished and I got surprised just because I wanted to become a government officer like a judge, but I quit my preparation because it was very difficult for me when I preparing, you can say, before 1 year ago. I quit my preparation because I got you can say depressed, or you can say I was becoming overthinker by day. Then I got sick, and I got trouble, so that's why I quit.
You were puzzled, I think. How can I crack
Uh,
this, very tough exam?
and still my brother, he is also preparing for IAS. So yeah,
Hmm.
he wants to become an IAS
I think in
officer.
your family there is culture for preparing government exam. In your surrounding, in your family, relatives.
Yeah, it's the true. And my brother,
Mm.
he's very hardworking. He's very hard, and I got motivated from him. And he study more than 10 hours, 12 hours. Even though he's
Mm.
doing job, he's doing job. Even though
Okay.
he study, and he always try to motivate me. And whenever I talk to him, oh my God, he always try to motivate me. You should do like this. You shouldn't go outside. You shouldn't drink like this. You shouldn't eat outside food. You should always eat healthy food. He always and yeah, this
Already
my
he is doing government job. He is also doing government job, and along with this, he is preparing for IS exam.
Yes, yes, yes. It's the
He
true.
taking coaching also,
Yes, yes,
from an
yes,
institute.
yes.
Like in
Because
my
the
area,
different.
there is Springboard Academy and Divya Kranti. Sorry, Divya.
सिर्फ
I forget.
विकास जब करते
Yes, there are so many, branches in my area. Vikas Divya Kirti sir and Springboard Academy also. So he's
yeah,
also
he
taking
also
from
yes, yes,
Vikas
yes, yes.
Divya Kirti. I don't know the particular name. What is the name of the center?
Drishti IS.
Drishti IS. Yes, it is the correct name.
Yes, yes. And if I talk about Rose, so I'm also, you can say my name is also Vikas.
Okay. Yes. He's very
You know,
inspiring person. Vikas Devi Kirti is very inspiring person. If we are
mm-hmm.
watching their videos, we can get motivated. He's
Yes,
giving very good lessons.
yeah, because he knows each and everything, and as far as I know, he was IS officer.
And the way of talking is, wonderful.
Yes, oh my God. When will it come? Yeah. Because he knows
Yes.
everything, So that's why
Mm.
he
Mm.
has a good communication skill and how to talk and how to convey his thought.
And he always speaks politely and softly. I
Yes, yes,
observed this. Mm.
you are
There are
absolutely
some,
right.
person who always inspire the society, like Khan sir and Vikas Devi Kirti sir, and some other person also who are the, role model of the society.
Yes, yeah, they are doing great job nowadays. If I talk just due to social media, or you can say mobile or smart digital board, and still they are providing good thing, And each and
Mm.
every person, if I talk about villages, before you can 2 year ago, earlier they were not able to afford like this thing like uh,
Mm.
uh, offline coaching, but now it is
Mm.
everything is possible. Now they are getting each and everything. They are taking online classes, they are getting job, they
Mm.
are getting each and
Yes.
everything due to, yes,
Yes.
in this era we are.
Like if you are a working person and you have no money, then you can do your work, and along with this, you can attend online classes. You can watch recorded session also, recorded video also. They are providing.
Yes, yes, you're absolutely, they are doing great job, and I appreciate all of those teachers who are doing this like this job, and they are providing good content, and even though my brother
Mm.
he taking online classes class for them for his
Mm. So, do you also want to elaborate anything else in this video?
in this video, which type of, you can ask me if you have any questions, so
I
definitely
think
I
I
will.
asked so many questions to you. Now we should, wind up this session.
Okay. Okay,